Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. Acres Lawn Care here. How you all doing? Hope you're doing well. So today this little video is just about a product that we used last week. I think it's a fairly new product. The customer bought it and we've tried it out last week and the results are just incredible. I wish I had a before and after, but this is basically a plant feed boost. I've used it in my hair a few times, but anyway. So yes, plant boost, and this is by Westland. I'm going to turn the camera around now. So there we have it, Boost all-purpose liquid plant feed. Now I haven't seen this in the garden centres or anywhere I go. This I think is a new product. It must have come out this year. We tried it out last year on these we tried it out last week on these petunias, and when I say these were half the size last week, it's absolutely incredible. They are stunning and they go all the way around the garden. If you guys have seen my videos before, you'll remember that this mimosa here, we had a little bit of an issue with it. Storm Eunice broke it off and lots of flowers were left over, and we planted all the flowers in here and they turned into petunias. Incredible. Not really, we planted petunias, but as you can see, these petunias are just beautiful, stunning. They're looking really healthy as well, and I honestly think this feed has got something to do with it. This isn't a sponsored video, by the way, guys. This is literally just a review. I want you guys to know this stuff, if it helps you out in any way. So it's an all-purpose plant feed. More blooms, more fruit and veg guaranteed. And so it's basically, you fill a cap, a 10 ml cap, into 4.5 litres of water and then feed away from March to September. So if you've got this or you see this in your garden centre, I recommend picking it up. I haven't tried it on anything else yet. The customer bought it purely for her wallflowers, but these are just insane. They're just gone mad. They're looking absolutely beautiful. But yes, so this was literally just a quick video for you guys, just to show you how well they're doing. And inside we've got some begonias. Don't know why that took so long, but there you go. So definitely recommend this product. We tried it out last week and this is the result. Basically, they've just shot up. So there we have it, guys. Just a quick review for you all. Boost all-purpose liquid feed. The customer used to use Tomerite. Good stuff, but she said that she's seen massive improvement just from using this. So I definitely recommend that, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope this has helped in some way or another. And last final shot of the garden. Did some diagonal lines today. And now I'm going to do some deadheading. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.